For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
I still remember the first time I used a double-pan fried ice cream machine at a packed night market. The crowd wouldn't stop growing, but this setup saved me from a long line of unhappy customers. If you're running a food truck, dessert stand, or ice cream shop, the 1800-watt commercial double-pan fried ice cream machine can completely change how fast you serve and how smooth your workflow feels. With two 45-centimeter pans working at the same time, you can handle rush hours without pressure. I've personally seen serving time cut in half just by switching from a single pan to a double pan. The 1800-watt freezing power hits low temperatures fast, and the negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit range gives you full control over texture, consistency, and mixing. When I tested different ingredients like cookies and fresh fruit, the rolls came out clean, smooth, and easy to shape. Built with 304 stainless steel, the machine stays strong even during long hours. Cleaning is quick, which is something you really appreciate when customers keep coming. The digital timer helps keep servings consistent, and the auto defrost function stops ingredients from sticking, a lifesaver during busy periods. If you want a machine that keeps up with crowds, boosts output, and makes rolled ice cream more fun for customers to watch, this double pan design is the one. It delivers speed, control, and commercial-level durability in one setup.